really out of my hands. It's really out of my hands. Really out of my hands.
Could you tell me what he said?
It's really out of my hands. It means, I don't have any control or power over this situation anymore. When someone says this, they're expressing that they did what they could. But now the decision, responsibility, or power belongs to someone else or something beyond their control. You're not refusing to help, but you simply can't help anymore. Example: a police officer says to someone, I've done everything I could to help him. It's out of my hands now.
Play it up, inspire people. Play it up, inspire people. Play it up, inspire people.
Could you tell me what she said?
Play it up to inspire people. Play it up means to emphasize something or make it sound more important, exciting, or impressive than it really is. When someone says play it up to inspire people, they mean, talk about something in a positive, enthusiastic, or dramatic way so that others feel motivated or inspired. For example, when you share your testimony, don't hold back, play it up to inspire people. Means, speak with emotion and passion so others feel encouraged by your story.
I want to stay low key. I want to stay low key. I want to stay low key.
Could you tell me what he said?
I want to stay low key. It's mean I don't want much attention. I want to keep things private, quiet, and simple. You're choosing privacy, peace, and simplicity instead of fame, drama, or showing off. For example, I got promoted last week, but I want to stay low key about it. No need to brag. Meaning, the person doesn't want to show off their achievement.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Could you tell me what she said?
What's wrong with you? It literally means, what problem do you have, or why are you acting like that? Remember, in English, it's not usually about medical problems, it's often about behavior or emotion. For example, hey, what's wrong with you? You look upset. Mean you seem sad, tell me what happened. Used when someone acts rude, strange, or wrong, and you're shocked or irritated. It's more like criticism or disbelief. For example, what's wrong with you? Why would you do that? It's mean, what's your problem? Why did you act like that? In American English, saying what's wrong with you to a friend gently can sound caring, but if said angrily or loudly, it can sound very rude or harsh. Tone decides whether it's friendly concern or criticism.
Both bending over backwards.
They bend over backwards.
You're bending over backwards.
Been bending over backwards to protect your feelings.
Could you tell me what she said?
Bend over backwards. Bend over backwards is a common English idiom that means to make a huge effort to help someone, to be extremely accommodating, or to go out of your way to please or satisfy someone even when it's inconvenient or difficult for you. It's often used when someone works very hard to help another person, when someone shows extra kindness or effort that goes beyond what's expected. Sometimes said with frustration or disappointment if the speaker feels unappreciated for their efforts. For example, I've bent over backwards for you, and you still think I don't care. It's mean, I've done everything I can for you, but you still doubt me.
Sadly, this left Uncle Barney out in the cold.
Left me out in the cold.
You're left out in the cold.
Could you tell me what she said?
Left out in the cold. The phrase left out in the cold is a powerful English idiom that means being ignored, excluded, or abandoned, especially when you expected to be included, supported, or cared for. For example, when someone says, when I needed my children the most, they left me out in the cold. He means they weren't there for me when I really needed them.
Job's a piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
They toughen you up in there?
No, it's a piece of cake.
Could you tell me what he said?
Piece of cake. The phrase piece of cake is a very common English idiom that means something is very easy to do. For example, when someone says, that math test was a piece of cake. I finished it in 15 minutes. He means, it was really easy for me.
Is she still giving me the cold shoulder? Is she still giving me the cold shoulder? Is she still giving me the cold shoulder?
Could you tell me what she said?
Is she giving me the cold shoulder? It means to deliberately ignore, avoid, or show a lack of warmth or friendliness towards someone. It's often said when someone used to be friendly, but now they're not talking much. A person avoids eye contact, gives short replies, or acts uninterested. You sense emotional distance or silent anger from them. For example, is she giving me the cold shoulder because of what I said yesterday? Means, is she ignoring me because she's hurt or angry?
This is a win-win situation.
Win-win situation for everybody.
This is a win-win situation.
Could you tell me what he said?
It's a win-win situation. A win-win situation means a situation where everyone involved benefits, nobody loses, and both sides gain something positive. It's used to describe fair, smart, or cooperative outcomes, especially in business, teamwork, or problem solving. For example, if you help your sister with homework, you'll learn too. It's a win-win situation. It means both children benefit, one gets help, the other improves their skills.
Up is a blessing in disguise.
A blessing in disguise?
Is a blessing in disguise.
Could you tell me what he said?
It's a blessing in disguise. The phrase a blessing in disguise means something that seems bad, unlucky, or disappointing at first, but later turns out to be good or beneficial. So, it's a blessing in disguise means, it looked like a problem, but it actually helped me. Losing that job was tough, but it turned out to be a blessing in disguise. I started my own business and I'm happier now. Meaning, losing the job led to something much better.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Because every cloud has a silver lining.
Remember, every cloud has a silver lining.
Could you tell me what he said?
Every cloud has a silver lining. It means there's something good in every bad situation. This phrase comes from the idea that even dark storm clouds have a shiny silver edge when the sun is behind them. So, even when times are dark, there's still something bright or positive behind the trouble. For example, I know losing that job hurts, but remember every cloud has a silver lining. You might find something even better.
You're bluffing. You're bluffing. You're bluffing.
Could you tell me what he said?
You're bluffing. To bluff means to pretend, to lie, or to act confident when you're not telling the truth, usually to trick someone into believing something that's not real. Bro, I met Taylor Swift last night. You're bluffing. Show me a picture or it didn't happen. Meaning, I don't believe you, you're probably making it up. Example 2. If you talk to me like that again, I'll quit this job. You're bluffing. You say that every week. It means you're not serious, you're just saying it to scare me.
We're gonna straighten this out, okay? We're gonna straighten this out, okay? We're gonna straighten this out, okay?
Could you tell me what he said?
We're going to straighten this out. It means, we're going to fix a problem, clear up confusion, or solve a misunderstanding. It's often said when something has gone wrong, maybe there's been a mistake, argument, or misunderstanding, and someone, usually in charge, wants to make things right. When you say straighten this out, you mean you'll organize or fix a situation that's confusing or troublesome. It's often used in police stations, offices, schools, or family arguments, anywhere people want to resolve an issue calmly and clearly.
Not picking it up. Not picking it up. Not picking it up.
Could you tell me what she said?
Not picking it up. The phrase not picking it up means someone is not understanding, not responding, or not accepting something. So depending on the context, not picking it up can mean not understanding, not answering the phone, not reacting or catching a hint. Let's try to understand it with more examples. He's not picking it up, I've explained it twice. He's not understanding. I called him 3 times, but he's not picking it up. It means he's not answering the phone. You're not picking it up, are you? I'm joking. It means you're not catching the joke.
Tom, I don't like getting dicked around like this. Tom, I don't like getting dicked around like this. Tom, I don't like getting dicked around like this.
Could you tell me what he said?
I don't like getting dicked around like this. It means to treat someone unfairly, waste their time, mislead them, or keep changing decisions just to frustrate them. It's often said when someone feels disrespected, manipulated, or ignored. The phrase carries strong emotion, usually anger or impatience. For example, you said I'd get the contract last week, stop dicking me around. It means you're tired of broken promises. Example 2, you've been dicking me around for days, man. Just tell me the truth. It means fed up with lies or delays, and it is always said in strong, confrontational tone.
Date him hard. Date him hard. Date him hard.
Could you tell me what he said?
Date him hard. It means try very strongly to start a romantic relationship with him, pursue him actively, repeatedly, confidently. For example, if you like someone and tell your friend about it, he might say to you, if you really like him, go all in, date him hard, meaning pursue him confidently. Here hard intensifies the verb date, just like work hard or try hard. Date him hard also could mean, don't just flirt or hang out, commit, invest, and be consistent.
I know you've never particularly warmed to me. I know you've never particularly warmed to me. I know you've never particularly warmed to me.
Could you tell me what she said? You've never particularly warmed to me. Literal meaning of warm to. The verb to warm to someone or something means to begin to like them, feel friendly toward them, or become more comfortable with them. It's something you might say during a serious, calm, or emotional conversation, when you're acknowledging emotional distance. Warmed to is a subtle emotional phrase that describes how one's attitude towards someone changes from distant or cold to friendly and comfortable. It's often used in reflective or emotionally intelligent speech to describe relationships politely. For example, "You've never particularly warmed to me" means you've never really liked me.